Hello my beautiful YouTube family, here are some balloon crafts tutorials for you. So here we are using white balloons. Take the balloon, cut it from the top and fill it with the cotton. Now here we are stuffing a white tissue in it. Now tie it with the thread and wrap the thread around it. Now cut it from the top, and here we are using crepe paper to make the top, and your garlic is ready. Next again we are using white balloons. Again cut the top and fill it with cotton. Now make it wide inside like this. Now here we are using plastic and cover it with the white crepe paper. Now place it inside the balloon, and again we are using crepe paper and fold it to make the stem like this, and your mushrooms are ready. So again here we are using green balloons. Again stuff them with the cotton. Here we are using a wire, copper wire, and use some sprinkles of crepe paper, and you are done. So here we are using multicolor balloons. Again we are going to stuff them with cotton, fill cotton in them, and again use the wire and tie them with the thread. Now you can also use here crepe paper or green tape, and your beautiful decoration piece is ready. Here we are using purple balloons. We are going to make brinjals with the same process. Again we are using wire, and here we are using green crepe paper. So your brinjals are ready. So here we are using red balloons and repeating the same process. So here we are using a green wire. Now wrap brown crepe paper and you are done. Again we are using red balloons, and we are going to make beautiful fruit, pomegranate. So cut it from the top to give it a shape of pomegranate. Here again we are using brown crepe paper. So fold it round the wire and you are done. So again we are using red balloons and repeating the same process. Here we are wrapping the wire. Now pass the wire through the balloon and tie it with thread. Now we are making leaves. Attach some sticks and you are done. So here are orange balloons and cotton also. Again we are repeating the same process. Tie the balloon, cut it. Now we are attaching brown leaves like this, and you are done. I hope you are going to like it. So again we are using orange balloon. Almost the main or the basic process is same in all the crafts, that we are stuffing cotton. Now we are making pumpkins. Now again you can use green tape or green crepe paper, and there you go. So again here we are using some multicolor balloons. So repeat the same process. Now wrap the thread around the balloons. These all crafts are so simple and very easy to make. and you are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.